This is my new channel, and I'm really excited to make soap, create videos and share them with you. Even though this is my first video, this is not my first time making soap. This is my first time mixing multiple ingredients, so some mistakes were made, but overall I think these bars came out pretty good. These are the items I will be working with today. A standard size mold. 91% rubbing alcohol from the dollar store. My coconut and castor oils. Distilled water. Sodium hydroxide. Black pepper powder. Activated charcoal. Turmeric powder. Vitamin E oil. A large stick blender. And a mini stick blender. This is the scented castor oil that I use. Always pour your sodium hydroxide into your water to prevent splashing and mix thoroughly, then set aside to cool. This process should be done in a well-ventilated space away from children, animals and any daily household used items. I let it sit until somewhat cool. I poured the sodium hydroxide into the oil and now it's time to blend. The Jamaican castor oil makes such a beautiful rich yellow color, and the smell is amazing. I mixed it longer than I should have. I don't usually let the mixture sit in the bowl this long and it thickened fast. Now I am separating this into 3 bowls to mix the turmeric, black pepper powder, the activated charcoal and the vitamin E oil in. You can see it's very thick, like pudding. It's fine, but I wanted the consistency thinner so it would be easy to pour. I'm still learning this process. I did try to use the miniature stick blender and that was a huge fail. I mixed each bowl using a spatula, ensuring that all the clumps were mixed in well. I always spray the mold and the top of the soap with rubbing alcohol to avoid ashing. You can see the mixture is super thick now, so I was struggling to pour it evenly into the mold. This did take some time. I place the lid on the mold and cover with a towel. This will sit for 24 hours before molding and cutting. Be sure to clean the area thoroughly when done to ensure no one comes in contact with anything that will harm them. Now it is time to unmold. The top center does look a little dark still, but that is okay. I will say this block of soap looks so different than any other soap I have made because of how thick it was when I poured it in. I should have pounded the mold down on the table after each layer. I think that would have helped pack it down on the sides. This mold makes roughly 8.5 bars. I still think it looks pretty cool and I cannot wait to use it. I have the measurements down below. Thank you for watching and enjoy.